In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI to rewrite and improve your text. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Gamma dashboard and opening my Video AI tool presentation. Once it loads, I'll scroll down to the third slide to find the text I want to refine. I'll highlight the description under the Generate section and click the Edit with Agent icon. In the prompt box, I'm typing a request to rewrite the text to be more professional and persuasive. After sending the prompt, the AI agent updates the card immediately. On the right panel, I can compare the original version with the modified one to ensure it fits my needs. It looks great, so I'll click back to the card and close the panel. Now, let's try using the AI's automated suggestions. I'll click the Edit with Agent icon again and select the Improve Writing button. The AI provides 3 directions for improvement. I want to elevate the tone for the entire card, so I'll type number 3 into the chat and hit Send. The agent rewrites all the sections for better clarity and impact. I'll do one last check between the original and modified versions before applying the changes. I'll scroll through the updated slide to ensure the professional tone is consistent across all the new descriptions. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Gamma AI to rewrite and improve your text. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.